Hello, my name is Gatis and I am founder of hosting company Best Content Hosting. Yes, we can say that the very long domain, but okay. Um, I like this Best Content Hosting because if we're thinking about hosting, what is king of the hosting? King of the hosting is content. Content. Yes. And uh, second, what you see that our hosting priority is learners and educators. I will later describe what we mean about it. Yes, I come from Latvia, and my company has registered in Latvia. But if you will go to the end, you can see that our company has working in a partnership with 20i, that is biggest and largest company in UK or in Great Britain, and this is our a partner that very low, and we working together. Um, okay, that is one thing. Um, yes, you can ask why my language is not very clearly very good, and you can say no, this man is no marketing specialist. Yes, okay. Yes, I know. I can say that um, I have cerebral palsy from bone, and this is reason why my language is not so very clearly. But I am not about it. I am about my hosting. And for now, this is my hosting, but I hope that I will great team, and we will be able to give a very good support. And about technical support and all things, I will try telling about today in this video. Uh, about yes, maybe if you see my records in social media from today, our discount code is not working, and we will not provide any discount code in future. That is my decision, that I decide in today in morning. But I will tell what what I planning uh, um, replace this discount code. First thing, that no, absolutely all hosting plans are absolutely free for first month. And a little bit about our hosting plans. For now, we have four types of hosting plan. One is Linux Cloud Plan, and I know that this plan is very popular. Then we have a very special plan for WordPress. It is a WordPress Premium, and this plan is for very large WordPress project where you planning very big traffic and so on so on. So this is, but if you speak about WordPress, I can say that WordPress is included in all of our shared hosting plans. Don't worry about WordPress. WordPress €7, yes, a very high of price, but how I say, this is a very special WordPress plan, and if you go to more plans, you will see a description of about this plan. Then we have Windows plan, and Windows plan this is for students who want learning ASP.NET technology. For example, you are founded some very good course or in YouTube or in Coursera or in Udacity or in other place, and you want learning making website with ASP.NET technology. Well, there is a plan that you can buy for one on or 3 months, and all things that you working you can try on real hosting and see how it work, what you learning. And the last plan is called Cottage Pro plan. This is the same Linux Cloud plan, but in this plan are added Cottage Pro website editor. With him you can very easily without any programming skills create very beautiful, very nice website. We will in future make special tutorials how to do it, but if you will see more about this tutorial plan, you will see that there have a list of tutorials how to use this Cottage website editor, and you can search more in Google search about it, and see that this is not very cheap editor, but in our hosting this is a very cheap and with how you see, you have not only a Cottage professional website editor, but you have You have email, you have database, and you have many one-click installs and other things. Yes, we can say that our hosting web page not very perfect, but one of things that I was trying to do in this website, I trying give all information about a hosting plan, futures, what you have have available in our hosting. Okay, next thing, if you will go to homepage, then there is interesting section. Yes, how you see, we are happy that we can provide your site migration if you need. There is 3 points how you can realize that we will with very big happiness to migrate your website to our company. That is very easy. Yes, and how you see how I tell our hosting company working very closely with our partner 20i. You can find this company in internet and you see that they are providing very high security and website optimizations tools that I think in this time is very important. About control panel, how you see, you have possible to try demo account. There is demo username and there is demo password, and we will what you will need, you will copy these two things, go to login and login in, and you are in demo control panel where you can see what tools you are available. And there is a section client area that is more important. Welcome to demo account. Very nice. And we will see what we see there. Okay, there are all your account tools that you are available. You can order hosting, you can register the domain, transfer domain, order SSL, order timeline backups, and so on. And there is there in right side of the windows you have available your purchased package, or you can see some demo control panels. Okay, I will go to demo panel, and that looks control panel 4. This is for typical Linux package. There is some section for web files, file managers, FTP, backups, how I slide in Linux and package are website builder, but in Linux package this is old version of web builder, but in package you have available a newest Copage Pro version that you, I am sorry, someone want calling. Sorry. Okay, we can continue speaking about our hosting. And how you see, you have web tools, PHP admin, remote MySQL access. You can change PHP version. Very important tools is PHP configuration. For example, if you need install some specific web software and you have specific technical details for PHP configuration, you can change it. But about PHP configuration, I will make different no, different but separate video. Okay, there is a scheduled tasks. Scheduled tasks that mean that is you know that things that corn is called in different types of control panel. In our stack panel, this corn that task is called as scheduled task. Now you have stack generators and some. One of very good things about we are very proud. We are very good CDN. I know that many webmasters using Cloudflare, but I can tell you that our CDN is better than Cloudflare, and my promise is that I will. You can know how I tell we use 20i technology. You can search information about CDN there, but in our homepage in support articles you can find information about CDN. We have in CDN includes that tools have edge caching. Very good tools is web optimization, where you can play optimize different kind of your websites that they will work faster. You can block visitors, you can see statistics, traffic distribution, and now things that come recently you can configure your website header security. Okay, what else? You have you have full featured email management system. You can create accounts, but there is one thing: when you create email account, you will need wait 30 minutes before this account will working. Uh, you have email forwarders, autoresponders, and only addresses, the same addresses. Webmail are available. You can make email migration. Sometimes for email you need documents, records that you can add. Okay, what else? What else? You can add the domains and subdomains, and there you have your DNS management. Of course, you have SSH access, hotlink protection, free SSL. About free SSL, one thing that free SSL you can use only when you use our name servers, and in when you using our hosting in your control panel, name server setup there say that sorry guys, you don't use our name servers, and you need change it that your website will be able publish from our hosting, and there you see all our names servers. What else in our control panel you can find? You can find log and static windows where you can see very good statistic about your website visitors. Who visits no, from which country, and many specific information about your website. Traffic, very important in access error log, and this is very important when you publish your website online, and you see, oops, my web page not working, something is wrong with hosting. My recommendation is firstly looking in access error log, and there you will find information about do you have some error in your web page, and if you there see that your web page has errors, that means the problem is not about our hosting, but problem is in your website, and you need it correcting, but that is usually everyday webmaster work. Bandwidth usage, of course, are available, and there you can see lot of one-click installs that you can use in our hosting. You can search it in demo account too. You can sort by most popular. Very interesting. What is yes, more popular is WordPress, of course, because WordPress is king of the webmaster. But have you seen popular is also Joomla, Magneto, Freshop, OpenCart, Moodle for education, Laravel, uh, Drupal, web calendar, invoice, and very much one-click install that you can use in all hosting. Yes, very important section is manage DNS that I want to show you. But about it I will make separate video too. In this section you will see all your DNS records that you can use, edit for email, for SMPD, for TXT. You have available all information about your DNS records for domains, for subdomains, and so on. So, okay, we will go back. Yes, one very important things about our hosting, how work or support. When you see something with hosting not good, something not working, clients calling, web page not working, and you will see that with web page all is okay, but something not working, and you need help. Of course, we are ready to help you. And I want to tell you how our support are working. Firstly, how you will see, you always are available or chat, and you can open this talk to chat and ask you for help. If you don't have answer on chat, then you go to client area, and there you have payment methods. Yes, about payment methods, one very important thing, how I said, first month you can use every single hosting plan for absolutely free, but by registering your account you need add your payment details because without this payment details your package not will be created. That is very important, and that information I will add website. But yes, customer support. and you can click contact to customer support, and you can open ticket. There you can tell details about your problem, and we will be very happy to help you answer to your question. But you can ask me, okay, I have question, but if you something cannot answer me, what will be then? I have answered. How I tell in beginning, we working together with largest, biggest UK company 20i, and when answer when we tell, oh, we don't know how we can help you, we will ask to our partners, and they support know all about hosting, and I have 1 year experience working in other hosting company, and I can tell that they are give help very very fast and very clearly. That means that about support you don't need worry. Okay, that is some information about our hosting. Of course, we will give you more information about our hosting, but I hope that in our webpage you can find very much information about single hosting of plan. Yes, one more things about domain. Uh, uh, Very typical situation that I want to try a hosting plan, but is a problem. I don't have domain, and there is written that our company don't provide free domain. Oh my God, that is not good. But don't worry, you can use our hosting with in beginning without your own domain. You can use any domain have temporary domain. What I mean temporary domain that you will be able working with our services in developing mode, and you will see results, but this website not will be available in the world. About temporary URL, I will be separate video make for you, and in section we have support articles. You can find more information about this 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 temporary others. Okay, I I hope this is very long video. In future videos will be shorter, and I will I will tell more about more concrete things, how you can doing things in our hosting. What I can say, are you welcome? And one thing that you can doing, you can trying one month absolutely free any hosting plan. Uh, yes, and in another video I will tell how you can get any hosting plan free for longer time. Stay tuned and and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you will know more about best content hosting good things that we can offer to you. Thanks and have a nice day. But I don't know, maybe now where you watching this video is night. Have a good night. Hello, and I hope that next video will be in short time.